Hi guys, welcome to Amateur Chemistry. In today's video, I'm going to do a special recap on the lava lamp experiment due to bad quality of audio. So we started by vegetable oil, acetic acid, our glass jar on top of our light source, a container, sodium bicarbonate, our dye, and a spoon. So first, we take 2 tablespoons of sodium bicarbonate and place it on top of our jar. In our jar, just 2 tablespoons, and place it aside. Next, we take the vegetable oil and pour all of it inside our glass jar. That's enough. For that step, we take our dye and place a little bit inside our container. That's enough. So we take our container and pour in our dye. After pouring in our dye, we take the acetic acid and pour it inside our container. That's enough. Third step is that we open our light source and dump in all our acetic acid mixed with our dye inside and see what happens. So immediately there will be a reaction in whereby the acetic acid would react with the sodium bicarbonate in producing carbon dioxide gas,